Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to choose a niche for your affiliate marketing website. This video is actually part of a video training series that I've put up for my blog visitors. So just know that you can get the rest of the series if you go to workanywherenow.com and just sign up right there. All right, so let's get started. This is actually video number 2 of the series of my free training video series. So what is a niche? Okay, first of all, a niche is basically a group of people that you want to help. And this group of people have a common interest, a common passion, and a common problem. It could be a few problems, but what you want to do is find a niche where you can help these people with the problems that they have. Now, the ways to find your niche is going through different things like Amazon. Amazon is actually a great way for you to find a niche. What you do is go to Google and you put Amazon bestsellers, and there's going to be a link that will show up very first website. You would go on Google and just type in Amazon bestsellers. Let's make it bigger. There you go. Click on that. Then you get the bestsellers of any category that is listed on the Amazon menu on the left side here. So this is a very cool site to go on. So let's drill down. So you could go start broad and just choose something that you would like, either like apps and games or something to do with cars or babies or electronics, cameras. Like there's so many big categories you could go into. So let's go into like kitchen and dining, and within kitchen and dining you can still keep going. You could go into bar tools and drinkware, like for alcohol beverages, or you could do coffee, tea, and espressos. That's going to be a great niche. Going to be a lot of searches. Even if we drill down to coffee, tea, and espresso appliances, there's still each one of these could be also niche ideas. Okay, so that's how you can drill down all the way down to just like iced teas, any types of iced tea, anything to do with iced tea versus hot tea, or you could just do tea, but that's up to you how narrow you want to go down. But you do want to drill down to a certain level of detail for a niche so that you can easily focus on helping that group of people, as well as get ranked easier and be seen more of authority in a shorter time if you can focus on a smaller niche. And that's why you drill down like that. Okay, you would basically go on Amazon and you could drill down on those categories and then go to subcategories until you find something that you like. And you do want to pick something that you like because you'll be working on this topic for a long time. And because you're building a business, don't forget that part, okay? You're building a business, so once you pick something, you want to just go with it. But go with something that you like, okay? But don't spend tons of time trying to figure out what niche you're gonna pick, because if you go on bestsellers like that, those are gonna be in demand. Same with other affiliate networks like ClickBank. ClickBank has a way to tell you what kind of products are selling by doing a search on ClickBank here. So ClickBank is an affiliate network where there's tons of digital product owners, and they come here so that they could get other affiliates selling for them. So if you go to affiliate marketplace and search for, let's say, how to lose weight, majority of the products here, or all products here on ClickBank, are digital products, so you can actually earn a lot more commissions with these types of affiliate offers. So what you do is you do a search on what you're interested in, and then you're going to click here for results. You're going to do Gravity. Gravity is going to show you what is selling and what is not selling. Gravity shows you the number of people, I believe this is either how many people are earning for this particular item, and it's based on recent stats. So you know that these top whatever the first page is all the ones that are selling for how to lose weight in this niche. Okay, so that's another way to check out which products are moving fast. And so you can also try Google Trends. Google Trends is where you can see if a particular topic is on the rise or if it has a steady number of searches per month. So Google Trends, you want to go on there because you want to see how many people are searching that topic for every month, because you want to be in a niche that people are searching for. And that's why you want to build this affiliate marketing website, because you want to get ranked on those search engines. And if nobody's searching for your niche, then it's going to be harder for you to make money. And then there's also a magazine approach, which is just basically flipping around your favorite magazine, because there's a lot of ads in there. So if there's a lot of ads, you can look at those ads and it could bring you niche ideas, okay? And this works. So I'm going to talk to you about how to kind of niche down a little bit more, because it's kind of important to not be so broad in your website. As the more targeted you go, the more defined audience that you can help, and which is going to be better for you to rank and also be seen as an authority of that sub niche. And then you don't have to stay small. You can also grow your niche as you gain more authority in your journey, okay? But you want to sub niche in the beginning so that you can get ranking, find keywords, and help the people in niche much better and faster. And you're going to be seen as an authority much quicker this way if you niche down. Here are a few examples. So if you go into the kitchen and go into cooking, you can do vegan lifestyle or the pressure cooking or slow cooking. With pets, you can go pets, dogs, and then pet strollers. And then travel, you can go travel, luggage, and then bags with wheels. And then you have parenting, you could do new moms or moms, and then breastfeeding. So these are just quick examples for you how to niche it down, ideas for your website. Now, when you're looking at the products in your niche, before you finalize your niche, you want to kind of do this kind of research, because you want to make sure there are products in the $50 to $100 range products, because that's kind of like the amount of money that people are willing to spend without too much thinking about it. Like, you could go lower too, but whether you pick a $5 product or a $50 product, you're still promoting the same. So why not pick a $50 product, right? And then you don't want to go overboard of too high of a product, because it may be too hard to for you to sell in the beginning, because it takes a lot more convincing somebody for high ticket offers, and you don't want to do that in the beginning here, okay? You just want to pick products that are between about $50 to $150 or $200 is good range for your first affiliate site. And you want to only pick maybe a handful of products, like maybe up to 10 products that you want to concentrate on, because you want to find like the best products, right? You're going to find like the best ones that are being sold, the best ones that are people are liking. And you also want to make sure it's products that you would buy yourself based on your own research. You don't want to promote anything that is low quality or if it's a bad product. So you need to be aware of that. And if you could find any recurring type affiliate programs, that is even better. Recurring affiliate programs is going to make you money with less effort, because once you sign up somebody to a recurring commissions type of platform, then you will be earning for as long as they stay on that platform. Here's another way to find affiliate programs for your niche. You just gotta type your niche idea plus affiliate program, the words affiliate program, into Google. So you can say dogs plus affiliate program into Google, and then you can see what comes up. Now, the most important question that you need to ask when choosing a niche is, how can I help? And this is very important, because you're going to be writing a lot of different content that will help your audience solve problems. And this is why having affiliate website is very good for driving traffic because people are always searching for how to fix something or find a solution. And in this way, having an affiliate website, you could answer those questions for them. And so when you pick in a niche, you need to make sure you know how to help somebody in that niche. Okay. And remember, you don't have to start as an expert. You could basically pick any niche that you want. And as you work on your niche, as long as you like it, you're going to learn more and more about it. As long as you like it, you're going to start researching about it and you're going to gain knowledge about it. Basically, if you're going to pick a topic that you like, you're going to have knowledge of more than somebody else. As long as you have more knowledge about a topic more than somebody else, that's all you need to know. Okay, so you don't have to be an expert. You could learn as you go and earn as you go with this type of website. So guys, before I let you go, I want to show you. I'm best back at the new account that I had set up in my last video. Again, if you guys are just watching this not knowing that this is a part of a training series, you can find out how to get the rest of the training series videos at workanywherenow.com. Okay, so I want to just I want to bring you back here for a second because I want to show you how you can search up success stories. All you gotta do is type success stories in here, and then you're gonna see my post. You see Littlemama. You see new to what wealthy affiliate want to quit or have dealt success stories. And then Jeremy West also has one here, wealthy affiliate success stories. Nat Niches has success stories for 2018. And so does a few other ones. So you could always check out the success stories here. So you can see what I have written here about, see, I just basically gather them. Frankly, I have another list for 2019 actually. So this is a little bit older, this list, but there's a lot of success stories. Okay, guys. So there's a lot of reading here if you want to. So if you want to be one of these success stories, you should really upgrade to get the rest of the training here. You really need the rest of the training to build out your affiliate marketing website properly. And you need to know how to write content in there that drives traffic to your website automatically. That is the knowledge you're going to get from upgrading to premium. And so all you got to do is click this upgrade to premium button when you're inside Wealthy Affiliate, or you can go to workanywherenow.com/premium sign up. All right, those are the two ways that you can upgrade to premium, and you're just gonna sign up for $19 for your first month. And $19, guys, is actually not very much, not a lot of money to build a real affiliate marketing business that can earn you thousands and thousands of dollars a month. So $19 is really nothing to gain this knowledge. You are learning real online skills that will be earning you for years to come. So thank you very much for coming to my video today and learning about how to choose a niche for your affiliate website. Remember, if you're on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up on this video if you like it, and give me a subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell so you can learn more about affiliate marketing and how to make money online. Thanks. Bye.